In front of me is Realme 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and hitting Bluetooth. Now click this switcher next to Bluetooth to activate it, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!